Okay.
Okay, you first.
So we're entering this cave. Oh my god. Really? Oh my, that's, wow, look at that. Huh? Good job. Woo! Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. That's where we came from. And this is where we go now. Oh, wow. Oh, where can we go, baby? Turn on. Oh, we go there. Here. Wow. Oh, look at those. Let me just, yeah. Baby, can you point your camera on this? Yeah. Look at this. So this is the end.
Oh, one of them.
One of them, right?
Yeah.
So this is the end of this curve here. And then come here, baby. Look at how they do, right? They shaped it, right? They shaped the stone, or the rocks. Okay.
They blasted.
Huh?
They blasted.
Wow.
Dynamite.
Look at this. So, wow. Point to this side. Point to the center, Baba. Let's go here. Here. So this is another point at the top, baby. Up.
Photo shoot.
Movie.
Movie.
Film.
Oh.
Excellent.
Sorry, guys. They are doing photo shoots here. Can you put the camera here, baby?
There should be a rod hanging here somewhere.
I think it's right there.
This one?
Oh yeah, that's what they use for blasting.
Is it?
Yeah, so they drill up, and they take it out, and they put dynamite in the hole.
Oh shoot!
Yeah.
Can you put your light on?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. So this is, what is that?
It's a drilling rod.
Oh, okay. So, oh, look at that. So just do your camera follow this one so that I can see. Yeah. So this is the another cave. Oh, there are vandalism here. Okay. So they are doing movies here. And then another one there. How about here? Shane. Okay. Oh, wait. So here as well. Wow. So this is another part of the cave. Yeah. So that's so that's one. Look at those drawings. Oh my god. Is this open whole year round?
Yes.
That's right. So that's why people come in here, hey? Look at this. What is that? So another part is here. Look at that, it's so scary. Holy shit. Oh my god. What is that? Happy Halloween. Wow. 613615. That's Jay's. Oh, Jay's. And then how about this side? How about this side? This side. Then, what was that? It's a teeth?
Excuse me?
It's a teeth? Elephant teeth. It's a giant teeth. Or tooth. Okay. That's another one. This is another part of it. So there are some, what is that? Right. So, woo! Oh, there's some bags here. What is this? Wow. So, is this another part?
What kind of film you guys making?
Horror.
Horror? Oh,
For
yeah.
Halloween? Is it
For
like
Halloween.
For streaming online or what?
University.
Oh, nice.
For the USC?
State students.
Oh, yeah, see? Nice.
Nice.
Good job. So there's a good film school there?
No, it's for radio.
Oh,
actually.
really?
But we're
Excellent.
learning video editing, so.
Nice.
Good job. Okay. So another part.
Alright, let's just use the code.
Look at the walls. So this
Code
is
stone, you
another
guys
cave
finish the
here.
classes look good. Code when you record. Just see that it's just a bit with the focus.
There's
Those are your guys' bags over there?
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh, we went there already. So
Look at the ceiling.
I know, right? Look at the ceiling. Help! Why there's a help there?
There's another one, see?
Where? Oh yeah, there's another one. Ooh. Ooh.
We went down this one.
What?
We went down this one.
Yeah, we went already here. So that's good. Look at the ceiling.
Look at
What
that's
is that?
a fossilized tree.
Oh? Oh yeah.
Or as a plug for where they were drilling.
I don't think so. That's a tree.
But it still has bark on it, so I think they used it as a plug for the wall. There's probably a chunk of dynamite still in there.
Oh yeah?
No, they wouldn't leave nothing in there.
Wow. So they actually shape the rocks?
No, they just.
Oh, there's another one here. What
they
is that?
They just use dynamite for
Oh,
blasting,
and then they.
and then they just take out all the rubble and throw it out.
Okay. Nice.
But you can see where the rod, where they started back there,
Yeah.
and then they drill in.
Yeah. Huh.
So, I think he has a similar reaction. But I think it's not impossible.
Oh, there's another one. Yeah.
Okay, ready? I didn't really want to stop.
Can you just? Oh, can you? Wait a sec. Can you put your light on and then I'll take a photo?